Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you the fastest way to design TikTok covers in Canva. So here's how you can design your TikTok covers in under 2 minutes. So guys, once you're on your browser, simply log on to canva.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Now on the home page, simply click on the home page here, and then once you selected the home page where we have templates, go ahead and click on templates. Now where we have search millions of templates, simply type in TikTok cover template in Canva. So just simply type in TikTok cover template. Once you've typed this in, simply click on enter, and it's now going to bring up a list of TikTok covers you can use for your design. All you need to do is simply select any of the templates you wish to use, as your cover could be based off of a vlog or a video. So you could just go with any design of your choice. Now, once you found a design that suits you and you wish to use, just simply click on this design and simply click on customize this template. Once you've selected customize this template, all you need to do is simply add a bold title and an eye-catching photo. So we could use this eye-catching photo for our video. And also try to keep the text big and centered for visibility. So try to move the text around, make sure the text is shown across your video. And then once you've converted or edited the image or template to your liking or your taste, simply click on share at the top right, click on share here, click on download or export, and simply select the option to export it as a JPEG. So go ahead and select a JPEG or PNG, depending on what kind of video you're making, and then simply click on download and then upload it as your TikTok cover. So guys, that's all. It's fast, it's clean, it's professional covers in under 2 minutes. Comment down below if you have a question, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.